Okay, out here Thursday training class, optional in plumbing. We try and keep all the guys up to date on their skills, training, acquiring new skills, all that stuff. So today we decided to do a soldering class. I've had about 7 guys in the class today. Went ahead and set up a rig for them, had them solder it together, and we have 2 of our senior members of the staff going through. We're gonna go ahead and judge. Winner takes $100 cash today, see what they learned in the class. We're also able to apply it out in the field. Let's see who wins. Three, 4, 5 vertical joints, and 1, 2, 3, 4 horizontal joints. Now, when you start soldering, do you go bottom to top or top to bottom?
Bottom to top. Heat
Why?
rises.
Huh?
Heat rises.
Correct. I always go top to bottom.
Really?
Always. Always, always, always. Why? Because that's the way I like to solder. And also you have to think, I'm gonna heat this guy up, and your vertical joints are gonna be the ones that are gonna be more tend to leak, right? Drop down, because you're fighting gravity. So if I heat this guy up and solder this guy and make it look perfect, now I'm gonna start heating this guy up. Heat's gonna transfer. Heat does go up, but heat will transfer. So I could solder this bottom one and make it look absolutely perfect. But now I'm gonna move my heat up to this T. That heat's gonna transfer back to that coupling. Now once I'm done soldering this T, I'm gonna move over to this 90. This 90, the heat's gonna transfer from here to that T and go down. By the time I'm done doing that, and this one was just hot enough to take my solder, but not drip, what's it gonna be hot enough to do now? Drip.
You,
No, I know.
well, your fingers are gonna get all nasty.
Squeeze it. Now, once you're done, don't get your finger back on it. Don't let go of it yet. Then now come down onto your pipe, twist it, and you'll feel it. You'll feel it go loose, then tight again. Don't be afraid. All right. Once you guys decide the winner, though, don't say anything yet.
Yeah, it's clean all around.
Yeah.
That's why I like to scratch.
A couple were close, but that one's
special.
special.
It's just sometimes you see those like they're hard. Couldn't really tell. A couple of them, but clean all the way around.
That's one.
You're gonna vote for you?
I'd say it's a toe to toe.
You guys will all probably end up voting for yourself. What do you think, one round?
You want to vote for yourself, though?
I think Brent had a good one.
Now you're my boy.
Still stand behind Corey's sandy finish.
Okay, you guys go 2?
I say 2.
Not 4. Who got second place to you guys, would you say?
Yeah.
No?
Yep.
No. Nope. Yes.
And the winner is...
Thank you.
Number 2. Again, thank you guys for showing up. I appreciate it. Thank you for giving your all. We'll make some more competitions like this. Give some people more chances to win money. Show us what you got. Other than that, though, I appreciate all of you. Thank you. Bring me the clap out. Clap out, friends.